Hello wonderful people! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, for today guys, as you can see, I have a huge box here. At sa pangalan naman sa harap, ayan, makikita nyo, Young Living Essential Oils. And I will be doing the unboxing. This is the Premium Starter Kit from Young Living Essential Oils. Ang alam ko, it comes with 11 oils together with a diffuser. So, let's check it out now, guys! Tara, tara, tara! Nag-arrive to today, kaninang afternoon. So, this is it. Let's open it. So, nag-decide kami ni Chester na kumuha ng essential oils. Kasi, aside sa, of course, marami siyang health benefits. Yung kasing essential oils, or let's say oils, biblical talaga siya. It has been mentioned many times sa Bible. I'll give you the exact verse here. Ayan. Basta, sinasabi niya dyan na when anyone's sick or whoever is sick, you should call the elders of the church para to pray for the sick person, at the same time to anoint them with oil. Ayan. Kaya 'di ba, it's been used for sanctification, ganyan. Ayaw niya sumama. So, tapos, sa science naman, it's been mentioned na, ayun nga, according to research and studies, essential oils have shown many good effects, health benefits. Yan. Ito. Excited, so excited. Ayan. So guys. Ang kukulit ako. Ayan, ganyan. Ganyan siya sa loob. Ayan. So, itong kinuha namin, I chose this diffuser. Sabi nila, maganda daw ito. Ayan. There is the desert mist. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Excited. Okay, it's Desert Mist Essential Oil Ultrasonic Diffuser. Actually, yung pinagpipilian ko is dalawa. Kasi maraming diffusers to eh. Maraming kinds. So, meron silang 5 or more than 5. Pero ang pinagpipilian ko is yung owl. Kasi maganda yung music nun eh. Tsaka ito nga. Pero I ended up with this. Kasi yung owl, pwede yun sa bahay sa Pinas. Sa mga kids. Sina mama. Kaya. So, iset aside natin ito. And by the way, guys, na ano ko pala to, na disinfect ko tong box upon arrival. Kasi, di ba, we have to be careful kahit na COVID-free na ang Macau. Syempre, yung mga dumarating ng mga packages, kahit anong klase pa yan, kailangan i-disinfect bago ipasok. Or bago mo hawakan, ganyan, and bago mo ipasok sa room. Syempre, lagi naman na safety first, di ba? And, ito na nga. This box, yan, it contains the oils. And yan, as I've mentioned earlier, merong 11 oils nga to. So, we will open that in a bit. Lagyan muna natin siya dyan. And it also comes along with the last item inside the box. Pwera syempre dito sa ano to eh, invoice. Ayan. So, empty. Kaya muna natin yung dyan invoice. So, ito na nga. Ito na sila. So, ayan. The diffuser. Okay. Desert Mist Diffuser. The oils. And this is the product guide. So, dyan mababasa lahat. Kasi, different oils serve, diba? I mean, each oil serves different purpose or benefits. So, ayun na, buksan na natin tong si Desert Mist. Ayan. Okay. So, it has parang, ito yung manual. Ayan, ito yung instructions and how to use. So, I'll read this later on. Ayaw pala pansinin. Tapos, ito, meron siyang maliit na box. Okay. Okay, ayan. Ito yung plug niya. Ano to? Okay, tamang-tama. Ayan, kasi ganyan yung klase ng mga socket dito sa Macau. So, it's perfect. Okay. Alright, so manual electric plug. Tapos, ano ba yun? Uy, sealed na sealed siya, ha? Yan siya, guys. Ang cute. So cute. Ito siya. Oops. Okay, so mamaya ko aaralin to kung paano siya gamitin. Okay, and I will make another vlog on how this works. Ayan, bibigyan ko kayo ng guide, lalo na sa mga nagpa-plan pa na kumuha ng oils, and this, together with this particular diffuser. So, yung sa next vlog ko, isasama ko na din yung review ko, or yung, let's say, first impression ko nitong oils. So, let's move on with the essential oils. Sobrang kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako kasi, alam mo yun, magmula nung namatay yung sister ko 7 years ago, naging masyado ako and yung family ko, masyado kami naging vigilant when it comes to our health. Sa amin kasi nung namatay yung sister ko, parang naging wake-up call yun that really, health is wealth. Ayan. And yung kasabihan nga na prevention is better than cure. Totoo yun. Kaya ngayon, ayan, kung may narinig akong mga healthy products, go na go. Ito siya, guys. Young Living. Okay. Oops. Ready. Ay, baka malaglag naman tong si diffuser. Oops. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like. Ayan. Ayan siya. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10! Oh, parang napaisip. Bakit 10 lang? Merong isang nawawala. So, kalkalin natin. Oh, yun! Meron pa siya dito. So, it has 10 oils here. Ayan. Tapos, naaamoy ko na. Tapos, ayan, meron siya ditong, pwede mo siyang i-pull out na ganyan. Ayan, maliit na tela dyan or cloth. Ayan. So, once you pull it out, you have to pull another layer of, ito yan, board, ganyan, or parang harang. So, ito na nga, meron siyang ganyan pa sa loob. Naamoy ko na yung mga oils. Tapos naamoy nila. So, what's inside? So, ito. Merong hand purifier. Thieves. Yan. And then, meron din siya nitong Ningxia. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Meron siyang dalawang sachet. Ayan. I will go over this products one by one and then isasama ko yan sa next vlog. And then, meron siyang another small oil dito, you know, stress away. Oh, so that makes it 11 oils nga. Hindi naman siya nagkasya dito, kaya hiniwalay siya. Okay, and then what else do we have? It has parang ano to, extra cup. Oh, tama ba? Ay, hindi. Ang galing. Roller. See? Ayan. Kala ko extrang takip. So, kung ayaw mong i-diffuse yung mga oils, ilalagay mo lang to. You just have to align it dun sa pinaka-opening ng bottle. And then, ayan. Yun nga, isa-swap para i-roll on. Diba? Kasi yung mga oils pwedeng ipahid. Diba? Mga ganyan. Basta, I'll go over that. At please stay tuned on my next vlog. Mas detailed yon and yung review nandyan. Tapos, what else do we have here? We still have 2 items left. Ayan, kasi na ano ko na yan, nabanggit ko na yung mga yan, napakita ko na sa inyo. So, what is this? Frankincense. Oh. Wow. Incense ba? Oo, from the word. It's incense. Frankincense. Let incense arise. Ayan, so, tapos, ito, ayan, mga oil containers. Ayan siya. Ito, hindi ko sure kung ano to eh. So, buksan natin. What are these? Oh, okay. Instruction siya. Instruction siya nung instruction siya. Oh, okay. So, I gets ko na. Guys, itong mga to, okay, it has a detailed information on which kind of oil yung pare, let's say, ito, frankincense. Ayan, ito si frankincense. Okay. And then, meron nga siya ditong, ito yung parang booklet niya na maliit or parang brochure, ganun. Ayan. So, nandito yung kung anong klaseng oil siya. Sabi niya dito, frankincense essential oil has an earthy balsamic aroma that has been highly revered for centuries. Oh, ginagamit siya na matagal na. And, nakalagay din dito on how to use. Kung pwede ba siyang gamitin sa diffuser or roll-on or can it be parang orally intake yung ganyan. Okay. Ayan, ang galing, di ba? At least, andyan sila lahat. O, Fanaway, lavender. At tigda dalawa, guys, ha? O, tigda 2. Oops. Lakas ng amoy, naamoy ko na. Thieves, ayan, peppermint lahat. So, napakadali pala. At least, babasahin lang. Tapos, malalaman ko na on how to use this. I'm so excited. So, there you have it, guys. Ah, hindi, wait. Meron pa pala dito. So, ayan, di ba? Ito yung box. So, sa gilid niya, meron ditong, I don't know what's this. Ayan, nakalagay. Para siyang, ito pa lang yun. Ito pa lang yung booklet. Tapos nakalagay dito, Dear New Young Living Member. Ayan. Para siyang welcome letter. So, yung sinasabi ko nga kanina sa inyo, guys, yung essential oils, it can help with anxiety, it can promote healthy sleep, tapos nakakatulong siya to relieve headache, or alleviate pain, kahit anong pain yan, especially muscle pains, back pain, mga ganyan. Tapos, ang ganda lang kasi, nakakatulong din siya sa common cold. May mga iba akong nababasang reviews na kahit hindi sila nagtitake ng mga gamot para sa ubo-sipon, gumagaling yung mga ubo-sipon nila with the use of oil. And not necessarily na iniinom nila, ha? Kasi, di-diffuse lang nila, or, yun nga, pinapahid. Topical. So, ang galing. Diba? Kasi minsan, ang hirap din kung puro ka ingest ng ingest. Especially kung yung mga ganun na synthetic meds, di ba, nakakatakot din. So, ayan nga. Ayan. Okay, I don't know kung ano tong mga to. Mga parang paper, mga documents lang to. Tapos, open letter. Ayun nga. I mean, welcome letter. Tapos, ito yan. More information about the oil. Ayun. So, yun na nga, guys. That's my vlog for today. Kasi yan yung purpose nito. Purely unboxing. So, I hope you stay tuned. Kasi maybe after few uses, or let's say sabihin natin after a week, gagawa ako ng vlog. Ayun nga, on how to use this Desert Mist Ultrasonic Diffuser and yung reviews ko dito sa mga different oils na to. Different, 11 different kinds of oils. Together with this Nisha. Ayan, kung ano man yan. I think this one, okay. So, it's a, drink. Okay, 45 drink. Revitalize. Chena Bells. Ayan, tapos ito, hand purifier. Okay. So, I hope this video is helpful. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a great day ahead. God bless. Bye.